Yeah, I guess you can take a guess where I'm at. I'm in Canggu. You can guess I'm in Bali. I'm in Canggu of Bali. All kinds of really cool stuff everywhere. So yeah. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, we're gonna go check out Bali. There's some beauty salon, lots of tourist stuff. Streets are quite narrow, lots of little stuff to trip on, kind of typical, but it's pretty cool too. We're gonna walk all the way to the beach, but we're gonna walk down this main road of Canggu and just check everything out. You can see how it's all geared for tourism for sure. Blessed by nature. Got all this kind of cool stuff up here like that. So, okay, I see lots of surfboards too. So, I've been to Bali before, but I've never stayed in Canggu before, so this is my first time. Last night I stepped out for a little bit and I saw all kinds of people who were enjoying the bars, but they all were kind of the same. Like 25 to 23 to 28 years old. Guys without shirts, stuff like that. Spring spa. Lots of spas here too. This guy parked here. You just have to watch out here. Oh, it's really tight. You park on the sidewalk, so sometimes they can park like that, and then you can't really walk on the sidewalk. But I guess there's no way to park on the side either, so the roads are really narrow, as you can see. So there's just enough room for 2 cars. There's a small little white lane, I guess, which is for somebody to attempt to pull over a little bit, I guess. What else I want to say? But actually I think there's all different ranges now that I'm walking around in the daytime, but at nighttime it was like, sheesh, feels paradise. Welcome to Canggu. Volcanic sand. Lots of artwork. Okay, so we're gonna walk down to the beach and let's just see what it looks like. But this is a taste of what the main road looks like. It looks basically like this for quite a while. There's lots of spas, bars, restaurants, tourist stuff, hotels, places for people to stay, and sidewalks that are kind of narrow with busy traffic. And that kind of sums up the experience. But overall, there's a petrol station right here. But overall, all good.
Chiquinha.